And voila! Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Milan and yeah, I'm here for one collaboration. So this visual diary is just gonna show you my experience for the next 3 days here in Milano. I'm already sweating because I was running a little bit around the town, but the room looks absolutely stunning. It's in the center of Milan. I heard they have even a pool. So let's start this visual diary with a nice music and a nice intro, I would say. Let's do it. I think it's time for dinner. Let's hit it.
Yeah.
Pasta? It's gnocchi. It's pasta. Of course I knew it was pasta.
Okay guys, so we went for a dinner and it escalated. Okay, what a crazy evening that was. It said that it's gonna be like typical Milanese dinner, but apparently they had like some kind of like swing music on the program and live band. Everybody from our team was just like, yeah, let's just, you know, just go with the flow. Really beautiful evening. I really didn't expect that. And of course, I was not even drunk, you know, I mean, I had like 2 glasses of wine. It's 11, no, it's actually already midnight. I have to wake up early. But I think tomorrow, it's gonna be some really nice day with some workshop, and then we're gonna also like check some kind of collection and exhibition in Milan. Day 1 in Milan, very successful, very much a lot of laughing, and yeah, it's exactly what I needed. And yeah, good night. We see us in the morning. Buongiorno Milano. It's time for me to drink an espresso, get ready, and we are off to the first workshop. So far my day is pretty well. Let's do it. Oh, and by the way, I made already like a big mess in the room. I have to kind of like put everything together because I was rushing all over the place. So okay, this is the real talk. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay, I have to. Okay, so we're gonna start with pleated pants. You can just feel every breeze coming through. A very light material, very exclusive fabric, and I think they look very classy. I'm gonna go with a tank top. Kind of really like this vibe. This are these kind of moccasinas from Manebi. If I would go with these loafers, it would look like just classy, and I think I could be like very easy overdressed. I think I will go with the green shirt. Kind of really dig this vibe. A yes or no? I think it's a big yes, so let's hit the club. I mean, I don't need the club, let's hit the Milan. I think we're gonna have a gelato workshop at 11 o'clock. That's the mood in Milano. Oh yes.
Il primo gusto.
I can give you some advice. I think vanilla is really good.
I don't like vanilla.
Oh! Hey! We are doing original gelato, and I got even an apron. It's time to make some pistachio gelato. Let's do it. My favorite one. You know, I already like dressed for appropriate for the occasion, so let's hit it. Hey.
Ragazzi, che cos'è questo?
It's time for lunch, and actually this is the spot that I saved it, that I was last time in Milan, but I didn't have time to go, so check it out. Oh, I thought it's a phone. So we were finishing the lunch with the classic creme brulee and of course espresso. Alrighty, we are ready for the part 2 of the day. Have a new outfit on. It's white, let's say cream silk shirt, same pleated white pants and same loafers, just the shirt is different. So yeah, basically near the same outfit, a little bit different touch, but a really exciting part of the program is coming, and actually we're gonna visit a contemporary art exhibition from Prada. It's called Prada Fondazione, and actually I saw photos of it, so really looking forward to it. Let's do it. All white, like I got the whole thing bleached. Alright, so we came back from the Prada. It was absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed the whole installation. It looks absolutely stunning. So I would really suggest to everyone who comes to Milano to take this time and to visit the Prada Fondazione. It's really it's like one of a kind. I just had like 10 minutes, literally. I just took a quick shower. And now we're off to a cocktail workshop and then dinner. I changed the outfit, of course, because it's a dinner, so you have to be a little bit more formal. What I'm wearing is actually a silk shirt, black one, then the tank top. I told you that I really like the tank tops lately. And actually the pants are from Loro Piana, vintage, that I found in Munich. And yeah, the loafers are from Church. Cannot say anything about Church because it's the brand when it comes to the loafers. We have to hit the rooftop because there is a party waiting for us. Okay guys, this is me in a nutshell. Changing the outfits because everybody's wearing a suit, so I went with Loro Piana suit. Last second choices are usually either like a big fail or a big win. I hope it's gonna be a win. Yeah.
For every different kind of shake, you have different results. Like it's really important.
Ooh, it's getting confident. Okay guys, so we just had a cocktail workshop. We did a Negroni and some kind of cocktail that is like similar to Pisco Sour, but it's like the Radisson Collection Hotel. It has like their own version of it and it's amazing. I actually had a chance to do it as you saw it. Yeah, a perfect combination for summer days. And look at this, I mean. What's happening?
Cannot hear anything.
No.
That's the craziest part.
Yeah,
So silent.
because it also doesn't feel that it's so far away, right?